How to see your Spotify Wrapped on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see your Spotify Wrapped on Android or iOS phone. First thing you need to do here is to go to Spotify and then just open Spotify. Now go back, go to settings, go to apps, and then apps again. Now type here Spotify, click on it, then click for stop and go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. After that, just restart your phone and try again. And if that doesn't fix it, or you have an iPhone, just go to settings and then general and then iPhone storage, and then just search for Spotify and click offload and then try again. And if that also doesn't fix it, go to Play Store or App Store, make sure your Spotify is updated, then turn off your Wi-Fi and close all applications in the background, restart your phone and turn on your Wi-Fi, and that's it. Now try again. I hope that can fix your problem and see you in the next video.